Well, good morning from another lovely day at Lake Kurwongbah. Sun's come up. It's nice and warm now, as you can probably tell by how much I'm wearing. It was bloody freezing when I got on the water this morning. Last week the car was saying 28 when I arrived here. This morning it was saying 10. Who knows? But yeah, I've had a couple of fish now out of Boat Ramp Bay. I'm having a great time. I must admit, I'm getting a bit warm, so I'm going to have to kind of disrobe a little bit, I think. I've had a number of bass all around the edges, which is fantastic fun. This is probably the biggest of the bunch so far. I'm having a great time. Let's see how we go. Cast. Try the other side of the bay. You heard me say one more cast, didn't you, you bugger? Ooh, hello. This one's actually fighting back. Well, the bites are a bit sporadic, but that's probably the biggest so far. They are really feeding up, definitely fat, chunky fish at the moment. He's not huge, but what are we looking at? Yeah, 31. But the nice thing is, they're edge bites, which is loads of fun. And it does seem to be that the secret is, the moment that I say something along the lines of, the bites have dried up, I think it's probably time to move on. That's when I get another bite. Only a little one, but it is a fish. It's the first fish I've had from Toga Point for bloody ages. So perhaps we've got some fish around this side of the weed. Well, it's taken a little while to find some fish at Toga Point, and let's face it, he's not the biggest in the world, but it's kind of significant because it's the first fish I've had from Toga Point in forever. Let's see if there's any more around that side. Or is that a random straggler? No, that wasn't a random straggler. Oh yeah, that's a cracking bite. Oh yeah, happy days. Alright, so I'm just in line with the end of the point. I think this dude's just put me straight into some weed. Yeah, he has. That's alright now. Over the top of him now. Keep the pressure on and he'll swim out at some point. Yeah, there he goes. What have we got here? He's loving that weed. Come on, matey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's a cracking bite. So as always, it's for Elvis every time. Not bad at all. It's not huge. What are we on? Yeah, it's another solid 32. But I tell you what, he absolutely walloped that. And again, really deep-bodied fish. Well, there's no denying it. I'm pretty chuffed we've got a couple of fish from Toga. It's been devoid of fish for months now. So yeah, to get a couple out, I'm pretty pleased with that. And I can kind of get a feeling for where the edge of this weed bed is actually growing. It's a hard edge as well in terms of what I'm seeing on the sounder. You've basically got nothing and then thunk a wall of weed. But yeah, bites are dried up here. And in the interest of keeping on moving, I'm going to go and try White Tree Bay. Again, not fished it for months now, primarily because the bites just dried up and I couldn't get a thing. But the rowing traffic has calmed down and it's only a short paddle away. So yeah, I'm going to get over there, drift down where the weed bed used to be. It'd be interesting to see if it's still there. See if there's any egg bites to be had in there, because I am loving red bites. Let's see how we go. Okay, 5 casts in the fan. Here we go. Well, that was something. Yeah, no way. That's a bloody fish. First cast in a new spot, and I got a fish. He's a very small fish. Oh my lord, he's the smallest fish in the lake. Alright mate, alright. I think we might just let you go. Yeah, we'll say goodbye to him. But, that's the result. Thought I'd seen something move over there 2 or 3 times. That's nuts, man. Cast at showing fish. Yes, yes, yes. Unfortunately, he's put me right over the top of where I want to be fishing. Oh, he's off. Oh, I can't help feel that might have been a toga, because that was a classic stonking bite and then it came off. Damn it. Difficult to get a handle on the weed down there. Right, there's a fish. Oh my god, they are everywhere. Don't think it's a big one. No, what is going on? What is going on? No way. Caster showing fish and bang. Has he come off again? Has he come off again? Or have I still got this fish on? No, I've still got this fish on. And he's kind of woken up a bit as well. Well, it's been an interesting 20 minutes. I swear those 2 missed bites were togas. You know when you just get a feeling? Obviously you can never know, but those 2 bites absolutely slammed the lure and yet somehow came off, which is kind of classic toga bites as far as I'm concerned. They do have a tendency to throw the hooks really easily. Yep. There are fish everywhere, far out. That was only a little one though. Annoyed with losing fish. I'm wondering if I should change that hook. Smallest fish in the lake? Yes, smallest fish in the lake. Alright, buddy. I think you can just go straight back. There you go. Fish here. That's the second bite. Oh, hello. Okay, so I'm right on the edge of the weed bed. Well, the wind has arrived and it's making it difficult. Lost a very small one, got a very small one. Okay, one more cast, and then on to pastures new, I think. Which is a shame. I really wanted to explore this area a bit more, but with the wind blowing me directly into the weed bank, it makes it very tricky. Okay, I'm going to have one more cast because I feel like I'm right on the edge of it now, which is definitely where I've been picking up fish. So I have one more, then maybe try that margin. Yeah, there are fish here. There's fish everywhere today. I don't think it's a big one, but there are fish everywhere. Oh no, he's a very small one. Come here, buddy. Thanks for that. Yep, there is a fish here. Amazing. That is great news. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. As with the other spots, I don't think he's a very big one, but he's very welcome. Where you going, buddy? Oh, there you are. Nice. Well, the wind has arrived and it's absolutely banging down the lake. But I've just drifted into Fence Bay, and my first drift through, as you resulted in a fish, which is a result. Yeah, same spot. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, that is so good. Again, I don't think he's a big one. If anything, I think he might be a bit bad shape. Might be a bit smaller this time. Come on, you. In you go. There you go. Again, smaller, but from the same spot. Right on that edge there. Just drifting so bloody quick. Yeah. Surely there's got to be a bigger one in there as well. Oh, you found that just on the other side of a weed, didn't you? Nice. Just let it pull me out of the bay. That's perfect. You guys are always pulling me over where you sat. Pulling me out is perfect. Look, I know these fish aren't big. I mean, this little guy is, what, 28 centimetres, so it's not huge, but I'm not going to lie, I'm having an absolute blast. That's so much fun. The dreaded lost fish, but he goes and tells all the other fish to scarper. Damn it! Okay, let's see if there's anyone around the edge in Chicken Coop Bay. There was last time, but that's absolutely no guarantee. Bloody typical, isn't it? Turn the GoPro off, got a bite. Okay, that's interesting. I'd almost given up on this spot and just tried to find the edge of the weed bed. Well, try as I might, I couldn't get a bite. Kangaroo Point or Shed Bay. I came down to Chicken Coop Bay. Couldn't get anything on the edge, but then this fellow was obliging. Weed bedded out in open water. As you can probably tell, the wind is crazy strong. causing me no end of problems in terms of positioning myself. But I'm willing to give it another go, see if I can pick up some more.
Well, I'm back where I started, and I'm almost wondering, why did I leave? The fish are definitely down this end of the lake. They are definitely not at the top end of the lake.
I said it on the GoPro, but I'll say it again. I went all the way to the top end of the lake for not a lot. Came back to Boat Ramp Bay. First cast. This little fella.
Yeah, there she is. Excellent. Oops. I love it when they come back for another go. Where are you? Hey. Oh. Come on in. I think that might be the biggest fish of the session.
Well, there you go. I'd given myself 3 casts towards the back of Boat Ramp Bay. On my 3rd cast, I got a very twitchy bite. I thought, alright, 3 again, I think. And I think that might be fish of the day. Yeah, that is. He is 34, which I'm pretty certain is pretty much the biggest fish of the day. Again, nice and fat and healthy. But yeah, I think I'm going to use this fella to wrap this video up. Probably going to have another couple of casts at the back of the bay, so you never know, you might see me with another fish. But what a great day. I am so glad that the fish are around the edges again. This morning was amazing. If that wind hadn't got up, I think I would have stuck around this end of the lake rather than pushing up to the top, because to be honest with you, the wind up there was a complete pain in the neck. But it was great to get some fish out of Fence Bay, that was amazing. But yeah, Boat Ramp Bay is the hot spot right now. That's where I'm getting all these fellas from. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.